Hello, my dear students. Actually, the students of class 8 and the class 9. Today, the topic is suffix and prefix, and it is the second part. Me, Ashik, lecturer English, Joshua Shikha Board Model School and College. Here, it is a description about suffix and prefix, and you know that it is the second part of your class because I imported you the first part, and that is from 1 to 10, and now it is from 11 to 25. Because of my solo, because of my small blackboard, I wrote down only 10 topics, but today I am appeared with 15 items, and that is the suffix and prefix, the full description of you. So now here start. Number 1, prefix, meaning and the example. You have to know the meaning of the prefix. The meaning of the prefix is যে শব্দটা আগে বসে, when you add some word or the some part of the word before the root word, it is called prefix. And here meaning, and here the example of that prefix base plus meaning and the example. First of all, number 11, because you have to say that you have to be said that it was only 10 and it is the number 11. 11 here co means together. When it is done with collaboratively, then it is called together. And the example is cooperate, coexistence, co-worker, co-actor and etc. You know the meaning of that words. Cooperate means to help somebody. Coexistence means to stay somebody with someone. Co-worker, to work or to help the somebody or some persons. Co-actor, the person who acts beside the first actor. On the other hand, number 12, here it is D. You know that the meaning of D is down or away. It is the down and the lower part. Actually, the example is deforest, devalue and demotivate. Here it is the meaning of negative sense bearing. For this reason, you have to understand the basic formula of D. On the other hand, number 3, Dis means opposite. Here opposite of the word is called the dis. If you add dis before the sentence or before the words or before the keywords, it is a complete words, and that is disable, disagree, disappear, etc. The most of the words are here in the disagree or disappear, etc. On the other hand, number 14, em or en. You have to know the meaning of this en and em. It is cause to, because here it means is to show the reason of that word, and the example enable, enlarge, encourage, empower, etc. all are the examples of that prefix word. On the other hand, the next is 15 number, and the 15 is X. X means former, such as ex president, exterminate, extract, ex boyfriend or ex girlfriend. I know that you know the full meaning of this ex boyfriend or ex girlfriend, because you are totally familiar with this word, because all of the students of you, actually class 8 or 9, you know the full meaning of this ex means. Okay, number 16, it is extra. When you add extra before the sentence, that is called beyond. Beyond means to above something, and that is the system to express someone's upper level, and that is the example of this extra is ex president, extract, extraordinary, extramarital, etc. are the best one. Number 17, for. For means you know that the meaning of the for is away and from. And the example is forbid, forgive, forget. Etc. All are the basic simple or sentences or words to understand or to express your feelings. On the other hand, you have to know the IL and IM. Here there are two root words, and that is IL and IM. Here it is in, in and IR, in. The meaning of this prefix is negative sense bearing words such as illegal or illegislative or impossible or indefinite or import or inside or insert, and so on. Words are the basic words. On the other hand, you have to know you have to understand, or you have to perceive, or you have to commit to memory the full chart, and that is the number 19. It is inter. Inter means intra, and that is the meaning of this middle positions of the word or of the structure or of the purpose of this. And here the example is illegal, impossible, indefinite, import, inside, insert, and so on. There are a lot of words to add this in or IR or IM or IL, etc. are the main purposes. On the other hand, you have to know or you have to understand number 19. It is inter. Number 20. It is miss. You know that the meaning of this miss is wrong or error. When you do something wrong or something illegal or something illegislative, then it is called a wrong deed, and that is mistake, misdeed, mislead, misunderstand. All are the basic or the fundamental words of this root words. 21, mono. Here mono is single, and you have to know the meaning simply that mono is only one, and that is called one person or one thing or etc. Such as monotheist, monotone, monologue. Monologue means when one speaks single in the stage of a drama, and that is called monologue. Such as soliloquy. It is the synonymous word of this monologue. But a small difference between this soliloquy and monologue. Okay. Number 22, non. You know well that the meaning of non, and that is not and without. The example, nonsense. You know well the meaning of this nonsense. And the next is non-enmity. Okay, here there are so much examples, so you know the best one. On the other hand, you have to know the omni. This is my favorite word because I know it well from my honorable boss, and that is S.P. Haldar. I mean Shubhro Prakash Haldar. He taught me this omni word, and I grabbed that with my course, and that is the omni. Such as he told me that omnipotent, that means Sarva Shaktiman. Omniscient, that means Sarvadoshi, or omnivorous or omnivorous or etc. Omnivorous means the animals who eat everything. Vorace, here vorace, a one speaking has emerged, and that is vorace. Vorace means khadok or eater, such as first eater, second eater, and tertiary eater. Vorace, such as carnivorous, omnivorous, and herbivorous. All are the eaters of this ecological system, and that is called the, here it is omni. Omni is the sarvo, and that is called omnivorous or omniscient or omnipotent or omni. It is all of that the perfect one. Number 24, piri. You know that the piri is the perfect word. Here prefix is related for this word piri. and for this root word piri, and the here the meaning of this piri is before, and such the example is predetermined. Here it is determined before from something or someone or somebody, predetermined. And the precaution means if you are sincere about to what is happening or what will be happen in the next, and you when you be sincere about that, and that is called and that is called precaution. On the other hand, prefix, pre-war, primary, all are the perfect on to for this example. And the number last you have to know, and you have to commit to memory, because these are the perfect on to understand or to write down or to do well in the exam. You have to commit to memory and memorize this chart. It is the second chart, and I told you in my previous video previous class that the first perfection in that way, and it is the second one. And finally I will teach you about the re. You know that re means again, and the examples of that re is regain, reproduce, return, reunion, repeat, recur, recurrence. All of are the words to add here re. So be sincere and be conscious about your speaking, about your writing, about your hearing, and finally about your writing skills. Okay, my dear students, here the chart. You have to understand that it is the prefix chart. I know there are a lot of prefix root words, and I imparted here that I short it, and that is these are the 25, but there are a lot of such as 30, 40 or 50 more than, but I choose it for you to understand this, because if you commit to memory these normal materials, then you must be successful in your writing part. And finally I have to say that nowadays we are threatened with coronavirus, so it is for the distance learning. You have to study well, because on all other teachers also make video for you to understand or to read or to perceive or to realize or to teach you the text. And for this reason you have to follow the other teachers tools, not only me but also the other renowned teachers. So be sincere, and a request for you not to go outside, because nowadays and from today Joshua town is totally locked down. So stay safe, be safe from the coronavirus, and a utmost request to you that please be sincere about yourself and want the forgive from the omnipotent Allah and from the omnipotent God, because only He can solve this problem, and He will remove us from this epidemic form of coronavirus. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.